Hi everybody! In this video I want to tell you how to replace the dead battery of your watch with your available tools, of course. I am Said and you are watching the Key channel, a channel which provides you with a lot of information about adjusting or repairing devices, from printers to telescopes. In this video, I have 3 examples for you based on a watch back. The first one is the most problematic one, the second one is the most common one, and the third one is the greatest and the most straightforward. Your watch might have a screw back. If that's the case, you can see some notches around its back. They can be identified very easily. And as you can see, this watch has a loop band, so I need to first release this loop by removing one of the pins using a needle. Apply pliers and rotate the back counterclockwise to release it. When it is loosened enough, you can use your fingers to open it. To remove the battery, you need to first release a very small clip near to the battery, then you can remove it. The battery of this watch has a code 377. It represents the diameter, the voltage, and also the thickness of this battery. If you search for it on the internet, you'll soon understand that there are a lot of different types of classification standards for these codes. And if you want to buy it from the market, you may wonder which of them is exactly the thing that you are searching for. Click on the link below. It provides you with a cross table in which you can find the name of your battery in several different types of standards. For example, this battery 377 is also SR626SW. These are the same batteries. And also SR66. When I know 3 types of coding for the same battery, I can find it on the market very easier. This is the appropriate watch battery for this kind of watch. First insert it from one side. Look at this. Then push back the clip and press the battery into its hole. Rotate the back clockwise to fasten it. Then fasten it completely using pliers. Now I'm bringing back the pin into its place. Everything is done. The second type is snap-off. It can be identified very easily. It is quite plain with a small lip. Use a kitchen knife to open this type from that lip. It can open very easily. Remove the battery and insert a new one. You should be able to bring back the back using a little pressure, a moderate pressure. That's it. And here is the most straightforward type. This back is screwed into the body using just with 4 screws. To open this loop, maybe this is a good point. Instead of removing any pin. easily unscrew the back. Again, to remove the battery, you need to first release that small clip. Then, bring out the battery. This is the appropriate battery for this type of watch. Again, insert it from one side and push back that small clip. Simply screw back the back of your watch, but do not fasten it a lot. Let them be loosened. And then fasten them one by one in just one direction, counterclockwise, for example. Done. If you have any other idea about opening the back of the watch, especially for the first type, the screw type, please let me know in comments. Thanks for watching my video.